Butternut squash makes a savory, beautiful soup for fall or winter, and it offers some great nutritional benefits, including vitamin A, which supports eye health, and beta-carotene that supports the immune system. You can cook your butternut squash in one of two ways. Start by cutting off the ends, cutting your squash in half, and scooping out the seeds. Then, you can either use a vegetable peeler to peel the squash, cut the squash into cubes, and boil the cubes in boiling water in a stock pot. This takes about 10 minutes, and then drain it. Alternatively, you can skip peeling it, place it into a Dutch oven with some water, and cook at 400 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes. While it's cooking, you can chop your spinach and you can cut your sausage into bite-sized pieces. Set these aside, and then if you've cooked your squash in the oven, remove it to a plate and allow it to cool. Then take that same stock pot, add some oil, and saute your onion until clear. Then add the garlic and saute 30 seconds longer. Then take a food processor, fit it with a knife blade, and add your squash. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender. Add your squash to the blender, and you'll probably need the chicken broth that's called for in this recipe to help it blend. To either the food processor or the blender, add your squash along with your onion and your garlic. And then process in your food processor or your blender until smooth. Then add this back to your Dutch oven or stock pot, along with the sausage, bell pepper, a teaspoon of sage, and your red pepper flakes. Then add your broth, stirring well. Then you'll want to cover this and cook this over medium heat just until it begins to bubble. Once it bubbles, add your spinach and stir until the spinach is wilted. Then you might want to add a pinch of salt, and your soup is ready to serve. I hope you and your family enjoy this creamy, savory soup. Also check out cream of turkey and wild rice soup, another great soup for fall and winter. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more great recipes.